Hey there, digital marketers. Are you struggling to get your business noticed on Facebook? Imagine there's a way to reach thousands of potential customers with just a few clicks. Stick around. In this tutorial, we'll dive into how to create powerful Facebook ads that will transform your business. Let's get started. So, what exactly are Facebook ads? In simple terms, Facebook ads are paid messages that businesses can place on Facebook. These ads can appear in users' news feeds, stories, and even in the sidebar. But it's not just about throwing money at ads and hoping for the best. Effective Facebook advertising requires a strategic approach, understanding your target audience, and crafting compelling ad creatives that capture their attention. Why should you use Facebook ads? Well, did you know that Facebook has over 2.8 billion monthly active users? Facebook is a goldmine for finding your target audience. Imagine reaching just a fraction of that audience with highly targeted ads. That's the power of Facebook ads, whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or boost sales. Facebook ads offer unmatched precision targeting. Targeting, the key to Facebook ad success. One of the biggest advantages of Facebook ads is the advanced targeting capabilities it offers. You can precisely target your audience based on a wide range of factors, including demographics, age, gender, location, etc., interests, behaviors, connections, people who like your page, friends of your followers, etc. Custom audiences based on your email list or website visitors. By leveraging these targeting options, you can ensure your ads are seen by the right people, maximizing your return on investment (ROI). Setting up your first Facebook ad. To create a Facebook ad, you'll use the Facebook Ads Manager. This tool gives you full control over your ads, from creation to performance tracking. Ready to set up your first ad? Follow these steps. Step 1. Choose your objective. What do you want to achieve with your ad? Options include brand awareness, traffic, engagement, and conversions. Step 2. Define your audience. Use detailed targeting to reach people based on location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors. Step 3. Set your schedule. Decide how much you want to spend daily or over the lifetime of the ad, and choose the dates your ad will run. Step 4. Create your ad. Choose from various ad formats, such as image, video, carousel, or slideshow. Make sure your ad is visually appealing and has a clear call to action. Measuring and optimizing your campaigns. Once your ads are live, it's time to track their performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. Facebook Ads Manager provides a wealth of analytics and insights, allowing you to monitor key metrics such as reach and impressions, click-through rate (CTR), cost per click (CPC), conversion rate. Test different ad variations, adjust your targeting parameters, and then refine your ad copy and visuals to improve your overall campaign performance. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify what's working, what's not, and make adjustments to improve the overall performance of your Facebook ads. And there you have it, a quick guide to creating effective Facebook ads. Ready to boost your business with targeted ads? By incorporating these steps, your ad will not only be engaging, but also optimized for better reach and engagement. Start experimenting with different ad strategies today and watch your business grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jay's Digital Hub for more digital marketing tips and tutorials. Our team is here to help you. Let's grow your business together.